Hello everyone, dear friends. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can, friends, disable autoplay sound for Facebook videos. Dear friends, be sure to give your likes to this video, write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. And first of all, please open up the Facebook app on your device. Next, you will need to go to the menu section. Now at the top, please tap on the gear to open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a little bit on this option, and you'll need to find Media. Now swipe a lot of media down. And this is where you'll need to turn off these two options here. Videos start with sound, and stories start with sound. It goes like this. You can also turn off autoplay videos as needed. That, dear friends, is how quickly and very easily you can disable autoplay sound for Facebook videos. I really hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to this channel, and be sure to write comments. See you soon.